Alright everyone, welcome back to Victory Slots from the Silverton. We are playing in a Lightning Link Lounge. Thunder just went off. Usually what that means is you're going to get a bonus. And look at what we got, a bonus. So we're going to record this one. We weren't recording earlier when we were hitting Heartthrob, and we did pretty good on that game. So hopefully this bonus will wind up paying something decent. A little re-trigger. 3 spins that didn't pay anything, so I guess we're kind of due for a re-trigger. 12 spins. Let's see if we get something good out of these last 9 spins. Come on, do one big spin. Come on, there you go. That's a decent little spin right there. All right, 3808. We'll take it. Really good spin. Oh man, got blocked by the bonus symbol. Come on, either a hold and spin or a bunch of 2 times. That's 4. That's 46 bucks. We're down about 40, so this was a nice bonus to get. All right, we got 3 more spins. Come on. It'd be nice to re-trigger it again. Every machine in here seems to be popping off now, so come on. All right, last spin. That was it. $49.28. Try to switch it back. Take a few live backup spins. Come on, do it one more time, one more bonus. Play this game down to 110, and then we'll go try to find something else. All right, last spin. All right, guys, that'll do it for Tiki Fire. Victory Slots from the Silverton. All right, everyone, welcome back to Victory Slots from the Orleans. We are playing a little Dancing Drums. Just progressives and your full pot. We're gonna go 10 games. This has been good to us all night, so we're gonna stick with it. See if we get another $200 bonus like we had earlier. Come on, re-trigger for days. Last time we had 30-something spins, so let's see if we could do that again. It's not looking very promising. Come on. I got some trees. All those wilds still couldn't get the pot to close. There you go. Some dragons. $32. Alright, all we need is some re-triggers now. Come on. $100 ain't cutting it. Alright. 103.20. Not bad. Finally got the drum to show up. Alright, I'll take a few backup spins. See if we get another bonus real quick. Just starting to finally put the drum or the wild on the second reel. Now if we could just line up the first and third with it, we'd be in good shape. Come on, one big one. There's a drum on the second reel. Forever it wasn't showing up, so come on. Close. Close, pot. I'll take 2 or 3 more spins. I needed that first one. Play down to 110. Alright. 2 more spins now. Last spin. Come on. Alright, guys, that'll do it for Dancing Drums on Victory Slots. Alright, everyone, welcome back to Victory Slots from the Cosmo. We're hanging out here with Mr. Panda Jock Slots and Baby Girl. We did just get the bonus on quick hits. We're going to see if we could... oh, there you go. I wouldn't mind some of those. No. All right, one more. 3X or Quick Hit Fever. Quick Hit Fever. Quick Hit Fever. Last time I hit Quick Hit Fever, I did really well. So let's see. Let's drop 9 quick hits right here. Come on, 9 quick hit hand pay. Come on. Do it. 1 big spin, 9 quick hits. Or 8 quick hits. Come on. Or 7 quick hits even. Come on, do it. Come on, quick hits. Only takes 1 spin. 5 spins in. Try to back up a little bit. It's really hard to... There you go. Come on, quick hits. Oh, come on. 3 spins left. Do it. Line them up. Don't be a $20 bonus. Hit the quick hits. 2 games left. Come on, quick hits. Come on. Don't be a dud quick hit bonus. There's 3 and 4. All right, 31.70. It wasn't a total waste. Would have been nice to hit 3 more, but we'll take it. Whenever you guys are ready, take a few back up. Maybe play it down to 250. All right, last spin. All right, guys, that'll do it for Quick Hit Wild Blue from the Cosmo and Vic T slots. All right, everyone, welcome back to Vic T slots. Playing a little bit of Quick Hits. Sorry about the glare. Let's see if we get a good bonus here. Looks like 3x it is. 3x. Now let's hit 8 or 9 quick hits. Come on. Or 5 sevens. $4. Come on. $5. $6. $7. There you go. Decent little line hit. Got some bells. Got some sevens. Game paid $27. Alright, puts us at 34. Got one last game coming up. And that'll do it. Go. Little something, $40.05. A little money show up there. I don't know if all that's necessary, but we'll take a few live backup spins. Really love to hit 8 or 9 quick hits. $1.50 covered my bet. Come on. Ah, man, that cherry screwed me. This game is awfully hard to record because of the game behind me. Huge glare. Take a few more spins and then we'll move over and play the game next to it. One more spin after this. Come on. Just earned an extra spin. Alright, last spin. Alright, that'll do it for Quick Hits, a wild jackpot, and we'll be back. Alright, everyone, welcome back to Vic T slots. Playing some quick hit. What is this thing called? Wild Gold or something? Let's see. Last time we did the whole bottom row. Let's see if we could pick the bottom row again. If it'll give us a better bonus than the last one. Quick Hit Fever. Last time I played this exact game and got Quick Hit Fever, I wound up with 9 quick hits. So let's see if we could do 9 again. Come on. Do it. All 9. Come on. 1, 8 quick hits. 8 or 9. It's so hard to land the middle ones. Oh, man. That's 7. 7 wickets pays $150. That would have been so nice to have 2 more. Would have been $4 grand. Do it again. You could do it again. Do it one more time. Come on. Hit 8 this time. Got 4 games left. Come on. Do it. That's 2. I needed those 2 on the last spin. Come on. Alright, 2 more games. Come on, do it one more time. Come on, Quick Hit Fever. It's almost like that has to happen before it starts spinning. Come on, show back up. Come on. That's 4. Not a bad bonus, $161.20. There it is on Black Gold Wild. Alright, we'll take it. $161.20. It's a pretty good bonus. So nice. One more. Even one more. One more would have been $1,500. Man. It's that close. Nah, come on. Hit it out of the bonus now. Come on. Two more games left to try over here. Come on. Do it again. And I'll play it down to 230. And then we'll try the other 2 games and move along. 2 more spins. One more spin after this. Come on. Alright, and earned an extra spin. Last spin. Come on. Nah, we'll give it one more. Alright guys, that'll do it. Victys slots, quick hits, Black Wild Gold, or whatever this game was called, and we'll be back for the next one.